Hello students, welcome to the online classes. I'm Akhil sir. Today we are going to start one of the poem from unit number 3. Before that, I want to know from you how many types of emotions are there? Can you name such names? Can you tell such names of emotions? So let's see. I want to show you some list of the emotions. Then you come to know that how many types of these emotions are there. List of core emotions. You can read that: anger, happy, anxious, humiliation, belongings. It is mine. This word mine is showing the belongings. Curiosity. If we saw anything, then we are curious about that. Judgment. In difficult situation, which type of judgment should be taken? So we always think about that. Loneliness, love, excited, scared, gratitude, shame, surprised, anger, happiness. But when we are anger at the time, we are not in our control. So I want to show you another chart of feelings that we have to divide these feelings into various types. Happiness: in happiness, adored, alive, appreciated. When we are happy at that time only, we can appreciate to others, we can adore others, we can praise others. In madness, accused, angry, bitter. These feelings were there. In sadness, alone, okay, gloomy, very sad moments will be there. Scared, surprise, disgust, guilty feeling was there in disgust. So these are the feelings uh, we have in our mind. Can we think that this much of feelings we have? And another list is there that is very clear, that is happy, hopeful, glad, enthusiastic. Then when we are bad, feeling bad, rotten, odious, awful, atrocious. When we are sad, gloomy, mournful, hateful, heavy, miserable, upset. When we get excited, when we get inspired from others, powerful thoughts came in our mind. When we get hurt, wounded, crushed, tortured by others at the time. When we get sad, when we fixed in our mind, we could not, we get confused uh, at that time. In good condition, intense, lusty, confused. When we at that time, we shy, upset, uncertain, unsurety. We cannot sure make sure that whether he is friend or not. We are confused, tired, angry. These are some emotions, list of emotions. Then you can see this one also, list of emotions: sad, happy, hurt, confident. And another one is energized. When we are focused at that time, we are energized. So you need to focus on this: energized, strengthened, motivated, focus, invigorated, determined, inspired, creative, healthy, renewed, vibrant, refreshed. Now today our topic is depending on one of the emotion that is related to anger. So I want to show you one of the picture. Let's see. This is one of the picture that what you know from, what you come to know from this, that brother and sister, they are discussion and their discussion goes wrong, and now they are angry with each other. Another picture: when they were get angry, they didn't speak after that moment, and immediately they forgot about that and they were now friends. So it is happening daily. So it is happening daily in our life. So let's see, one of the poem we are going to take today, that's name is The Quarrel. The quarrel, it is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. They don't know why they quarrel, but they fall in that. The start of it was very modest. Modest means very trivial thing. There is no any big reason behind that. Then also they fell into that quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? But such type of quarrels, how many days, for how many hours, for how many minutes long last? A few, for very few, because those were brother and sister or siblings can't live without each other. So that's why when they get bored, they want to make up their mind. They want to settle their quarrel, and in this way only, this is one of the type of poem. So, students, dear students, I want to sing this song, this poem for you, so you can try at home in this way only. Because when we sing one of the poem in rhythm, at that time we learn that poem, we by heard that poem, and it is my wish that, okay, and it is request also that please learn and by heard this poem. And if you like this rhythm, then you can follow that rhythm also. For example, let's hear. I quarrel with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. Let's sing with me. I quarrel with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of the start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. I quarrel with my brother. Now another stanza. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, oh, come along, and said, oh, come along, we can't go on all night, and said, oh, come along, we can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. What her sister said? So I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So let's see. If we sing one of the song, then we are getting cheerful, and we get double charge for focusing on our aim. So you can sing songs also, various songs. Okay. Eleanor Farzian, who is the writer of this poem, poet of this poem. Now we are going to start that the quarrel poem. Generally, brothers and sisters with each other quarrel with each other. It is very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. I have already shown you. They were studying, and with the because of a one of the trivial thing, means worthless thing, they quarrel with each other. Their quarrel begin over very small petty issues, and how with a small kind of act quarrels end. It is very mystic and beautiful. And how this quarrel ends, that is also one of the best moment for them. They make up their minds, they settle their quarrels with each other. So let's read this poem to feel the same. We have already experienced in our childhood. Now you are child, that's why you are also experiencing this in each day. Now let's see how they are looking at each other, means they are not happy with each other, so that's why the quarrel started. What is the reason behind that? Very trivial thing. It is a series. It is a series. Not only because of one reason they quarrel, it is a series of mistakes. It is a series of their situation. It is a series of their behavior with each other. It gives uh, a big thing, that is it resulted into the quarrel. Okay, let's see the quarrel with each other. They shouted at each other, and then they quarrel. How they quarrel? Let's see the poem explanation. I quarrel with my brother. I don't know what about. What is the reason behind that? I don't know. One thing led to another, and somehow we fail out. Fail out means we fall in that. Okay, unknowingly. We fall when we fall unknowingly only. And if we see one of the shallow, if we don't see one of the obstacle, then we directly we may stuck in that and we may get fall like that only. Unknowingly they fall in that quarrel, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was very slight, the trivial thing. The end of it was very strong. He said he was right and I knew he was wrong. Everyone in the quarrel, two sides, okay, both the sides are saying that we are correct, we are correct. But everyone is saying he said he was right, and I knew he was wrong. Okay, so we are telling that the other side is wrong. The other side is telling that no, you are wrong. So let's see, slight means small or modest. I have already told you the start of this quarrel is very modest. Quarrel means fought. It is the past form of the fight. It is the second verb form. Now let's see the poem's explanation. We can say that when they quarrel with each other, the whole day after the quarrel, they didn't speak with each other because of their ego. Okay, they want to satisfy their ego, and they didn't speak with each other, and they shouted at each other because of the actual reason, means present reason is different, and they quarrel for others also. It is the series of their situation, series of their mistakes. Everyone trying to explain how I am better than you, okay, and how I leave this thing for you. So they quarrel with each other, and this is the series. Okay, later that the start of it was very slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. He means who is her brother. I knew he was wrong. And her sister told Eleanor Forgion that my brother is always wrong, because I knew that he was wrong. How the start was? It was very slight trivial thing. It was very slight, trivial thing. We didn't speak to each other also. Then also we fall in that quarrel, and it led into the okay that quarrel. Let's see how they are quarreling with each other. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. How the afternoon turned black? Because the whole afternoon they didn't speak with each other. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Then suddenly means he was getting bored. Okay, by in spending alone the whole afternoon. Later that he came to know that array, we are not going to live, okay, without each other. That's why he came to make up to settle the account one and once. His brother came suddenly. Okay, later that they didn't speak, and the whole afternoon they spent without speaking, okay, with each other. Means here they have given the afternoon turn black. Black means what? Actually it was a color name, but black is used for bad things. Means they didn't speak a single word with each other. So that's why the whole afternoon went waste. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother the thumped me on the back. He give thumb means tap on pat on my back. and said, "Oh, come along. Come with me. We can't go on all night. Our afternoon time or we have already wasted, so we can't go on all night without speaking with you." Okay, I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. At that time, Eleanor Forgian came to know that what are the thumped means hit, pat on back. Turn black means to become unpleasant. Okay, turn black means what? It is to become unpleasant. So these are the words that we come to know that. Okay, in the afternoon they didn't speak with each other. Okay, and the brother realized his mistake, that he said to her, he explained her that we can't go on all night without speaking with each other. So please, I was in the right and you are in the uh, uh, I was in the wrong and you are in the right person. Now let's see, brother is explaining to her, to his sister, that I was in the wrong and you are in the right. Wrong and right means what? It is my mistake that I have started the quarrel. They thumbed me on the back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. And who is the poet of this poem? Eleanor Forgione. So brother is explaining his mistake. He admitted his mistake, and he want to make up his mind with his sister. Later that his sister also accepted his mistake, and she uh, forgave him, and later that they were friend. Later that, and for how much time they were friend, I am not going to give this in surety. Okay, because the quarrels are the series and chain of those, and again they are happy with each other, they play with each other, and this process is happening at the poor house, or the um, it happened in the poor's house also, and as well as in rich also. Okay, poor man, they lived in one of the hut, then also they quarrel with each other and they make up their mind. And in the rich also they have started. And our Indian tradition is very famous for brother and sister, that is Raksha Bandhan, we have already know. Okay, so this is the, and what is the summary of this poem? The poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers or two sisters began and ended with any reason. The poet says that he quarreled with his brother or sister over something he was not even aware why he was quarreling about. They didn't know what is the main reason, because I have already told you this is the chain of the reasons. Okay, for many days they kept mum on those reasons, and suddenly, because of the present situation, present reason, they quarrel with each other. Quarrel with his brother over something, and he was not even aware why he was quarreling about. One thing was giving away to another, and while fighting, both of them fell down. They started the fight. Initially it was very small issue, petty issue, but gradually it became serious. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas at heart he knew that he was wrong. Okay, both of them didn't like one another. After the quarrel in the afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly his brother hit him on the back. Okay, and asked her to come along, as it is not possible to or right to linger this issue throughout the night. Okay, we can't go all night. He also claimed to be on the wrong side, so he was actually, it shows his generosity. They make up mind means what? It's a generosity. It is the what we call bond between, the relation between siblings, brother and sister, brother and brother, sister and sister, and without them, without each other, they can't go all night. Thank you, students. Having any problem, any question, you can ask me. Thank you.